Georgia, and it was a storm. And look how dark it is.
You
Look
can't
at
wait to
Dee
see how dark it is.
We laying in my bed. It's like pitch black. It's like, let me see. It is 12:52, and we're in my room. I don't know if y'all can see it, but
And the crazy part,
it's
I got
dark
school.
as
They
hell.
probably gonna close
Where's
school
the
then.
other flashlight?
Right here.
Let me see if I can use two. Guys, I got these new flashlights. I gotta go get me some better flashlights.
You think they gonna close school
When I
down
tell you,
tomorrow?
I don't know, but the power is out. Look at my TV. Look at the TV. Look, everything is out. The power, everything is pitch black. It's dark.
Oh, you guys, don't worry about them sound like this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Her allergies acting up. And guys, it's hot. When I tell you it's hot as hell.
It feel like it's summer.
Oh my God, it's like freaking. I don't even know how many degrees it is in here.
73.
It's burning.
You know, it's
Freaking
73 degrees outside.
Hot.
It's 73 degrees
I know. I had to crack my window because it's like no air circulating.
When the storm was first happening, my mom ran out her room.
Dior's in my bed because she's scared. Look, this Dior room, pitch black. It's just dark.
Show them how outside look.
Look, the bathroom is dark. Everything is dark in my house. And it's coming back again, guys. I can hear the rain. Look at downstairs. Look how dark it is. This is what we have to go through in Georgia. Or the power goes out. And then you have no power. It be pitch black. Dark. This is downstairs. I don't even know if y'all can see. But look. It's downstairs. Can't even see. Because it's so dark. How dark it is. Look. Look how dark it is. And now this is downstairs. And it's black, pitch black. And the boys, they in the room sleeping. It ain't even bothering them. But me and Dior is up. Because we scared. And it's pouring raining. And we have no electricity. Everything is off. Look, the power off. Everything's off. Look at this. Stove. Power off. Microwave. Power off. Everything. Fridge. Look at this. Power off. Everything. Freezer. Power off. We still got ice, but by the morning it's gonna melt. It's just pitch black in here. This is what we have to deal with in Georgia. When we have bad thunderstorms and it's pouring, raining. I had to go and move my car because I had it parked in front of a tree. So I had to go and move it. I don't know if that's gonna help. Because I was thinking if that tree fall, I don't know if y'all be able to see it. But this is, I don't think y'all can see it, but that's my backyard. But y'all can't see. Let me see. Nope, can't see. But I had to move it because I have a big giant tree right there. So I said, let me move my car before the goddamn tree drop on my car. And then I spend all this money to get it fixed. And money that I don't have. Shit. So I was out there in the dark. Moving my damn car. Yeah, but It's scary. When I tell you guys, it's scary. It's scary. It was people walking around my neighborhood. But I think they all went in the house. But look outside. It's dark. And people driving around. And it's dark. I don't know why. But it's like trees all over the place. It's raining still. And you just gotta be careful. You know? Right. Guys, when you live in places like this is what you gotta go through. When there be storms, it's what you go through. When there be storms, you just learn to deal with it. After a while, I had to put a towel in front of my door. Oh, I dropped the phone. I had to put a towel in front of my door to stop the water from coming in. But it's hot as hell. I can't breathe. Dior's in my bed. I'm in my room. Just relaxing.
And make sure you guys send all your prayers in and make sure and pray for us to get electricity back.
Yes, and you know what, guys? It probably be like this to the morning. You know, it probably stay like this until the morning with no power. So we have to go the whole night with no power in this house.
But it's kind of better for me than I don't gotta go to school.
And you're worried about going to school. But this is crazy, guys.
Comment on have y'all ever been in a storm before, or a hurricane or a tornado? Oh,
Dior got she's hoarse because her allergies are acting up. But guys, just pray for us and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Turn the notification bell on.
A ding a ding ding.
Ding.
It doesn't take nothing to support.
And subscribe.
And we'll
Make
keep
sure
you.
y'all follow our TikTok. Our new TikTok. Our TikTok Dior. And, no, what is it again?
Dior and Chrissy World.
No, it's Dior underscore. No.
Dior underscore the Chrissy World. And Instagram is Dior and Chrissy World. Don't mind me because I have a mouth guard in my mouth because I grind my teeth. So I have a mouth guard in my mouth. So it probably. And Dior has a retainer because she had braces, but they also she has to keep a retainer. But we'll keep y'all updated. And until next time, later.